Good morning, everyone. The day's finally arrived. It's embarkation day here in Miami. I'll be heading out here in a couple hours to the Miami Pier to embark on the Norwegian Cruise Line NCL Sky, and I'm pretty excited about it. Just had breakfast here at the airport, and I wanted to give you a quick little tip already, especially if you're cruising out of Miami. The Miami Fairfield Inn and Suites by Marriott is, especially it's the Miami South Fairfield Inn and Suites by Marriott, is about a 5-minute free shuttle ride from the airport. The rooms are fantastic. For a Fairfield Inn, I've stayed at a few before, and I hadn't been real pleased with some in other parts of the country, but this one I'm real pleased with. The decor is really nice. I just had breakfast downstairs, which is always included, and getting ready to, or actually I'm debating on taking a taxi from here, which is about a 20-minute taxi ride to the pier, or they also will set you up, the front desk will set you up with a shuttle service, and it's a shared shuttle, and from what I looked on the list, there could be as many as 10, 15, 20 people in this van. I don't know how big the van or the bus is going to be, but it's $10 per person for the shuttle, so I'm basically debating spending that extra $20 to just take a private taxi ride to the pier, or go ahead and get on the shuttle. But either case, I'll be leaving here in a couple hours to go check in with the cruise, and then I'll be doing my blogging from there. But again, if you're cruising out of Miami, especially if you fly into Miami the night before, check out this Fairfield Inn by Marriott. Great, like I said, clean rooms, everything's been totally updated. It's a very short, like less than 5-minute shuttle ride from the airport, and so you can, even if you get in late, you won't be in a lot of transit trying to get to your hotel even that night. So anyway, there's my first installment today, and stay tuned because I will be blogging the next time and taping this video actually from the cruise ship, and I look forward to that. I look forward to sharing the cruise ship with you and my opinions and critique and things as I go along in that cruise. We'll talk to you soon.